absolutely. It's absolutely amazing, you know, and we're learning quite a lot as each game goes and as we go along with the tournament.
And tell me, I mean, what's it been like? Obviously, the travel is one thing. It's been quite a slog in the travel, first of all. But I mean, for a young guy like you, I mean, you don't get these sort of opportunities every day.
Yeah, absolutely. You know, they don't grow on trees. I'm very blessed, and thanks to SA Rugby for giving me the great opportunity to experience the world and to referee at the top as well.
Now, I know this is also a learning curve for the referees, and I know a lot of times it's a lot of younger, up-and-coming refs that come to the tournament. But do you feel that what's the word I'm looking for, that the exposure that you're getting on these tournaments is helping you, and obviously, and how does it compare to the Currie Cup and the junior rugby that you refereed before?
Yeah, this is a fantastic opportunity. There's great exposure out there. You're seen worldwide. Same as the Currie Cup, you're given massive opportunities, you know, to sell your name and market yourself, which is amazing. And SA Rugby has the correct structures to give you this exposure.
So we also, I know we're in a situation where there's less and less referees every year. Andre Watson's talked to us about it. Is this maybe a nice way to show people that there are other opportunities for young up-and-coming referees? A good thing to get involved because you travel the world and you see these exotic places.
Absolutely. I mean, when the youngsters see you on TV, they aspire towards being like you know. They also want to travel the world, you know, participate in hobbies they like and everything. So I think this actually gives them that excitement to get out there and explore something different and actually try referee.
We've obviously got a whole lot of South African referees retiring soon. I know a lot of the guys, Mark's just retired, there's a couple of other guys close to the end of their careers. Do you feel you've got big shoes to fill there, and how long do you think it will take before we get the same type of refs again?
Well, at the moment I'm just focusing on this great opportunity that I've been given. We'll take it one step at a time and you know, hope and pray for the best and just perform out on the field and see where it takes us. I cannot really say where it will lead me, but I can only say that the effort I put in hopefully will pay off.
And hopefully now that South Africa has said that we're out of the tournament, the main tournament, but hopefully now maybe a final for you.
Oh, let's hope so, but at the moment I'm just focusing on the next game, and I've just got to keep my feet on the ground and referee the game to the best of my ability.
So do they prep you on all these PR answers? Or?
No, I just go out there and do the best that I can do.
Cool, man. No worries.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Thanks, Brendan.